Over the past 6 months, I've tested a lot of AI tools on this channel. From AI image generators and AI video generators to deep research tools, we've covered almost everything. But what if there was a single platform where you could access almost all of these advanced AI models in one place? Exactly where Kara Labs comes in. Today, AI is helping creators build YouTube channels around trends like Ghibli-style content, and many of these channels have gained millions of subscribers in just 2 to 3 months. At the same time, millions of people around the world are using AI every day to create amazing content faster than ever before. But there's one major problem. Every AI model usually has its own website, its own subscription, and its own payment plan. Managing all of them can be expensive and time-consuming. It brings together many popular AI models on a single platform. Whether you want to generate AI images, create AI videos, or use other advanced AI models, you can access everything from one simple dashboard. So in this video, I'll show you how Kara Labs works, which AI models are available inside the platform, and how you can use them to create Ghibli-style images, AI videos, and many other types of AI content with ease. First of all, sign up on Kara Labs using the link given in the description. After logging in, you'll see the complete dashboard, where you get 9 free credits every day just by logging in. Here you'll find amazing features like AI character images and AI character videos. Apart from that, you also get video face swap, lip sync, Grok Imagine, GPT Image, and Nano Banana Pro, which are honestly really impressive. Now first click on character images. After that, an interface like this will open. This is where we'll generate characters for our Ghibli-style videos. Simply write the character description you want for your story in text form. Then, under Models, you'll find many styles like anime, 3D, cartoon, realistic, and Simpsons. I selected Ghibli and clicked Generate. As you can see, within just a few seconds, it generated our character. Honestly, the quality and detailing of the character are really impressive. Now let's generate an anime character as well. For this, I entered the character description in the prompt and mentioned anime style. Then I selected anime as the model, chose the 16.9 aspect ratio, and clicked Generate. Look at the result. The image turned out really amazing. Kara Labs doesn't just offer image generation. It also provides features like image to video, text to video, and reference image to consistent video, making it an even more powerful AI platform. There's also another great feature. Earlier, we had to use separate tools to generate AI voices, but with this platform, you can generate any AI voice using just a few credits. Now let's move to the next feature, text to video. I simply entered a prompt asking for a Ghibli-style video where a girl is rescuing a bird from a cage. Select the duration according to the length of the video you want. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Choose Seedance 1.2, fast as the model, and click Generate. Within a short time, it will generate the video for you. As you can see, it created a beautiful Ghibli-style video with consistent characters. Now we can simply download it. Next, let's move to the image to video feature. For this, I'll use the same character image that we created earlier. I took a good prompt from ChatGPT, pasted it here, uploaded the character image under Upload Image, selected the desired duration, and clicked Generate. Now let's talk about the feature that I like the most, which is Seedance 2.0. With this, you can generate almost any type of high-quality AI video. The interface looks something like this. I entered a prompt asking for a Ghibli-style video where my character is running towards school and suddenly bumps into someone. Then I uploaded the character image, selected the duration, chose the 16.9 aspect ratio, and clicked Generate. Within a short time, it generated a stunning, high-quality video. If you also want to create professional Ghibli style or any other style of AI videos, then Kara Labs is a great platform for you. Talking about the pricing, the monthly plan starts at just $9, which offers great value considering all the features you get. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye guys.